Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all, we have to open the camera app, and since we're in the standard photo mode, we can take a look at this option bar, and the timer is on the second position from the left, this clock icon. So let's tap on it, and as you can see, we've got three different options. So the off option, 3 or 10 seconds delay. So let me set 10 seconds delay, let me tap on it, and as you can see, we've got the information here. What is more, the icon changed slightly, so you can always check that you've got this countdown applied. So what is more, I forgot to say about the shutter button. As you can see, we've got this big 10 number inside it, so I'm pretty sure that you will never forget that you've got the timer set. So simply tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, so basically this is how it works. Of course, you can set also 3 seconds delay or turn it off completely, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so basically this is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.